I am going to show you how to sell crypto on Binance P2P using your phone. As you can see, I'm already logged in into my Binance account and I have 50 USDT. So let's proceed to a profile and then click on Assets and Overview. We first need to make sure that the crypto you want to sell is in the funding account. So if it's in the spot section, you need to transfer. So let's click on Transfer. Select the coin as USDT. As you can see, on the fiat and spot section, I have 50 USDT. We need to move the amount from spot to funding section. So put the maximum amount and confirm. When the crypto is on the fiat and spot section, you can trade on spot. But if you need to trade on P2P, you need it to be on the funding section. And as you can see, there is zero amount of USDT on spot. And when you switch here, you'll see that the funding section has the 50 USDT now. So on your menu, click on trade and then select P2P. There is the option of buy and sell. Since we want to sell the crypto, we are going to click on the sell icon. Also, depending on the crypto that you're trading, as for me, I'm trading USDT, but if you have a different crypto, you can always change it here. There are the different options that you can trade on Binance P2P. That is USDT, BTC, which is Bitcoin, USDC, FDUSD, BNB, and Ethereum. So we'll go with USDT. Then for the currency, you want to deal with Kenya shillings. For the transaction amount, you can set it or leave it like that. You don't have to filter much. So now we are going to look for a reliable P2P merchant who has good ratings and who is buying USDT at a good rate and is accepting the payment method that we want to use, which is M-Pesa. We also need to check that they are online, which we can confirm by using the green dot at their profile. Also, below their name, like for example, this is called Use Your Trading Group. Since he started trading on Binance P2P, he has completed 98 orders. That is the total of buying and sell order in total. Also, he has a completion rate of 95.2%. The higher the rate, the better. He also has 99.27% rating, which are positive, and it's a good thing. So the higher the percentage rating, the better. He has also said that he will complete payment within 30 minutes. So if I'm to decide to sell my USDT to him, I will have to wait for up to 30 minutes to receive the amount. If 30 minutes is too much for me, I can always select another merchant like Clinker, who is above him, and he has put that he is paying within 15 minutes. Next, you need to consider in selecting a merchant is the rate that he is willing to buy the crypto. For example, you can see your trading group is willing to buy 1 USDT for 129.2 Kenya shillings. For Clinker, he is buying 1 USDT for 129.22 Kenya shillings. So we should aim going for the merchant who is willing to buy at a higher rate. Something else you need to consider is the order limit. As you can see with Useo, he is only buying crypto from those who want to sell him USDT worth 400,000 Kenya shillings to 2.7 million Kenya shillings. So for example, me, I have 50 USDT, which are around 6,400 or 6,500 depending on the rate I select. I can't sell to him. My crypto is not from 400,000 Kenya shillings. You can also see the payment method that the merchant is willing to make payment to. For example, Clinker will make payment to you whether on bank transfer, Equity Bank, or M-Pesa. For your trading group, he will make payment via bank transfer, M-Pesa pay bill, Equity Bank, or M-Pesa, whichever you select. Okay, so basically those are the things that you should consider before selecting a merchant. And since I can't match with any of them. Even if I try, for example, let's try with Useo, I can't trade with him. It won't allow me because I don't have USDT from 400,000 Kenya shillings. You see, it's restricting me. It's giving me a warning that my order limit should be from 400,000 Kenya shillings. And as you can see, my amount is around 6,453 bob. So I need to select another buyer. This other merchant, Mini AG, is buying crypto from 2000, but the problem is he is willing to send money to Equity Bank, and I want to receive my amount either in M-Pesa or in I&M Bank. So I can't trade with him because of the payment method. Otherwise, the other things are good. Also, apart from the time limit, it's too much. 30 minutes. I like trading with merchants who offer 15 minutes so that I can have fast trading. Next is Grass Hat. He is buying USDT at the rate of 129.19. Crypto from 5,000. I qualify that. I also like that he has 100% completion rate and has completed over 11,000 orders. And he has set time limit of 15 minutes. So I can go with him because the lower I go, the more the limit and also the lower the price these merchants are willing to buy the USDT. So let's go with Grass Hunt. Click on Sell USDT. Click on All USDT. For the payment method, we can only go with M-Pesa since that is what he has set as the payment method he is willing to pay with. That is my number in case you want to contact me for collaboration. And with that, we can click on Sell, and we should receive 64.54 in our M-Pesa. As you can see, I've successfully placed an order. So let's wait for him to make the payment within 15 minutes. If the 15 minutes lapse and he has not made the payment and he has not clicked on paid, the order will automatically cancel. Also, if he clicks on paid and I have not received the money, I can always raise a dispute or appeal by clicking the appeal button, which as you can see will be active after 9 minutes. So let's wait for payment from Tyne John Boblog. We need to check our M-Pesa. As you can see, payment received. 64.55 Kenya shillings has been received to my M-Pesa. As you can see, it has already reflected. So any minute from now, you should click on paid and I'll click on payment received. So now I can click on payment received. Although guys, see if you noticed, the payment button was activated as soon as I placed the order because he clicked on paid almost immediately. Before you confirm you've received the payment, always check to your M-Pesa. Don't rush. There are scammers in this sector and you don't want to be a victim. So make sure that you've received the amount before clicking on payment received. So let's click this checkbox and confirm release. You can verify the password or fingerprint, whichever security measure you have set. And that's it. The sale was successful. You have sold 50 USDT at the rate of 129.19. You can reorder or just proceed with your activities. Also, you can review the counterpart. For him, you can review him positive and also fast. It was fast. Oh no, not anonymous. Let him see our name. So that's it. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.